chain. Yeah, this kind of the stick chain, because it sells good on the line. My wholesale customer order this chain so much a lot, so that's why I show here. And first I will cut it 18-inch. Cut this stick chain 18-inch. Here, this one. Yes, this is I will going to make two pieces of the necklace by this chain. One in 17-inch, one in 18-inch. They will come out two different way. Okay. Here. So I will make two necklaces. Fast making. First, the one we will be attached by this kind of the clasp. I'm going to use this cord. Okay, it's here. Then we also use this jump ring. Open. We attach them and close. Check your phone. Why check your phone? Oh, you send a picture? Here. Hi, Sabine. Happy to see you. Okay, here. This way. Then it's here hang. Now it's a basic necklace. Then I will going to put some small cute charms attached on. Yeah, I will get some very small cute charm attached on here. I sent them a picture for review before I send it to you. Oh. I will going to attach this kind of the job. Yeah, it's some charm here. Here. This way. Here. 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 Then it's just use the small cute charm attach on it here directly. Just this way attach a touch. So it's very simple and a cute design. Yeah, when wear it on the necklace, then just like this, simple, and no need any special other charm. And if you don't have this stone charm, you just use the mute color beads. Yeah, use the beads, wrap with a ball pin and touch it. Then let's see here, when hang it here is the 3 charm twisted together, but if you wear on the neck, let's see, it's the very simple way for you if you are new starter in jewelry making. This kind of the design, if you are never do handmade, but it's not hard. Okay, it's not hard. Short.